Hey everybody, it is Crixus with Elite Laser Tag Equipment. Today we're going to go over installing your E.C.A.P.S system. E.C.A.P.S is the Elite Command and Programming System. So a couple things to note before we get started. You need to make sure that your radio dongle is plugged into your computer before you start. That's always a great way to make sure it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. And you can, in fact, have GMS and E.C.A.P.S on the same system. The only thing you need to know about that is if you do keep them both on your system, you can only run one of those programs at a time. If you try to run both, bad things happen. So let's get started. All right, at this point, we've already downloaded and unzipped the file sent to us by eliteecaps@gmail.com. That's the official place where you're going to be getting these files from. So the very first thing we're going to do after we unzip it, you're going to see a bunch of files. The only one that you need to be worried about is the install file. We're going to go ahead and double click on that. And that's going to get this process started for us. All right, we know it's working, so we're going to click install. And now listen to the lovely music as it extracts and installs all the files. There will be a point where a black screen comes up, and it's Windows protecting us saying, hey, do you really want to install this? And we're going to click yes, we really want to install this. Now we have to install our systems viewer. Same process. Click that install button. And bam, we're done. The install is complete. Oh, it's asking if I want to install something else. Yes, you do want to install this. This is your databases you want to install. All right, so we have installed everything. Everything's done. We're just going to click finish. And at this point, you should, on your desktop, have your icons. All right, for the sake of movie magic, normally they populate on the desktop. We moved them back into the folder with the install files. So you're going to have these two icons, the E scoring icon and just the E. To go ahead and get your E.C.A.P.S going, you're just going to double click on the E. So now that we have opened the application, we're going to maximize it to its max. We're going to put our password in. The stock password is 1234. You're going to enter, and there you go. Now we have been playing with it a little bit ourselves, so we already have a game going. We're going to go over how to use this in another video. This video was just to kind of show you guys how to install the program, but we'll have another video for you shortly on how to play with it and how all the new features work and all that good stuff. Until next time,